Alright guys, we got a hot process for you today.
You spin my pin right round.
We see this friction stir welding process spinning up just like a mid-aged people in a spin class on January 1st after New Year's resolutions. It better be clamped down, otherwise it won't stick, just like those resolutions. Plunge, 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 until you can't no more. Flat like a pancake, and we moving on just like from your last relationship. Now I ain't gonna say a yo mama joke, but the downward force is up to 12,000 pounds. The pin is plunging deeper than Jacob's wells all the way to the bottom, and if you ain't got that reference, we moving on just like the lateral direction this welding process is traveling. As it moves, it's stirring up more material than the 2016 election debates, creating a weld nugget that is healthier than a 5-piece McNugget as it stirs along. Now I'm not trying to be rude, but if we are to move on like this video, there's gotta be boundaries. Grain boundaries, of course. Dynamic recrystallization is basically Taz on a workday, twisting up a storm, remaking the boundaries to prevent a slip and slide free-for-all within the structure itself. Now if you remember what Kelly taught us, whatever didn't kill it made it stronger. The bond created is inseparable, it is stronger with this one. It's stronger, simpler, and even can be used on special aluminums that regular welding won't work. Precision is better than 20/20 vision every single time. Means less training is needed to achieve all that your mama said you'd be. This is so fancy, it's even used in rockets, automobiles, definitely seaworthy. And then there's the pullout, like the last day to drop with a W. Always leaves a mark behind, leaves a hole just like the Falcons' defense in Super Bowl 51. And that right there is a joint that'll put you in prison for 12 years a gram. That's all the time we got, y'all. It was bussin'. Sheesh!